Achievement has its own reward, and this is it. 32 Ferry Hill Road in Granby. Set back off the road, down your own private circular drive in a park-like setting. A remarkable home for remarkable people.
There you go.
The organic beauty of this home is apparent in this impeccably maintained almost 3,000 square foot home. A truly one-of-a-kind custom-built deck home, built by Barry Roberts. And did I forget to mention the 180-degree million-dollar view? This spectacular home allows you to appreciate nature's beauty on the almost 3 acres of land that surround this exquisite home. Enjoy the unique and intimate views it shares with both nature and the wildlife that visit this property. An open floor plan designed with distinction, surrounded with walls of glass and soaring ceilings. Dressed in only the finest woods, impressing even the harshest of critics. With red cedar ceilings, Douglas fir beams, red oak floors, birch doors, and mahogany-made cabinets, trim work, and even baseboards. Rich in detail from the floating stairs to the floating fireplace hearth. Although this home does come with its challenges, and that's determining where exactly the best place to watch the sun go down.
Whether you're out here on your 40-foot deck,
or whether you're enjoying a meal in the dining room,
or right here sitting at the hearth in the appropriately nicknamed sunset seat.
You simply can't escape this view, but then why would you ever want to? The quality of craftsmanship is undeniable. Newer addition to include the great room with wet bar, 2 master suites, 1 on each floor sporting their own full bath and view, of course. The walkout lower level is completely tiled, sporting 2 bedrooms with pocket doors, full scenic views, and a cozy living area including the finest touches, sporting both a Harmon wood stove and second wood burning fireplace. And don't forget the enclosed porch, designed with efficiency and where the return justifies the investment, boasting your own 30-panel solar array that, by the way, is completely owned. So come and discover how this Frank Lloyd Wright inspired deck home can be your reality. When you only have time to view the best, view 32 Ferry Hill Road in Granby. I'm Realtor Amy Kelly.
And I'm her husband, Tom.
And we're your real estate professionals. And until next time, happy house hunting.